we are going to partake in this emergency exercise situation. This is real. It's a real exercise, not a real situation, but a real exercise. And it needs to be taken seriously. I know I may make light of it here and there in the video, but it's a very serious situation. I take it very seriously, but it looks like I'm having a little fun with it. I am. But keep in mind, it's very serious. I can't emphasize that enough. I hope you enjoy the video. We are actually going to participate in a drill. This is only a drill. The captain came through the intercom because we're sailing so many sea days, because we're sailing down to Antarctica, all the way down. First of all, we're sailing all the way down South America and then heading to Antarctica, and there's tons of sea days. And they need to do their safety drills. This particular safety drill is the evacuation in the event there was a major catastrophe. So we're going to partake in this this drill. It's only a drill, but it's exciting to partake in it because you want to practice and you want to be a part of the process with the crew. So that's what we're doing today.
All staterooms, unless do not disturb sign, is displayed, and all the guests from public areas or open decks down to master station. Ladies and gentlemen, as anticipated, this is the signal, the general emergency signal, the 7 short followed by a long one. For today exercise, we ask you kindly, if you're willing to participate, follow the instruction of the ship's company. They will direct you down to deck 7 and deck 6, where the master station are located. For today exercise, you only need to carry your medallion, your ocean medallion, if you take, and then proceed to the master station. Attention, ladies and gentlemen, for exercise, the general emergency alarm will be sounded.
Here we go.
This is the bridge for exercise. For exercise, the general emergency alarm signal has been sounded. Ship's company, continue with your crew alert duties. Unless
we gotta go. All right, so now we're in the emergency mode. The alarm has gone off, and now we gotta find our life jackets. All right, let's go. Come on. This is an emergency. All right, we're taking a life jacket. We're going down to the muster right now. Let's go. Our muster is A, deck 7. We gotta go. Let's go.
We're in the theater.
Let's go. Deck 7, our muster.
This way, yeah.
Let's go. Hurry up.
Oh wow!
Hurry
Look
up.
at you! Look at you! Down!
Hurry up, come on. Down. Hurry up. This is an exercise. This is only an exercise. Hurry up.
You're going down.
Which way am I going?
Down.
This way.
Yeah.
This way. Okay. Good job. Did you hear the alarm? Which way do I go? I go this way.
All the way
I go
down.
this way.
All the way down to 7.
Okay. Which way do I go? Right here. Okay, let's go. All right, good job.
Keep going.
Oh, I hope we're all safe. Which way do I go? Which way?
Go this way. Go this way.
Down here. Okay.
To the left.
Which way?
Down.
This is only an exercise. So we're coming to our muster station. And again, this is only an exercise. So they're scanning our medallions to account for all the passengers. Excellent.
In a real situation, and this is for all our guests, would be you will go back to your staterooms, you will collect your life jacket, warm clothing, and any medication you might be taking, as well as a head covering, and then proceed to your muster stations. It is important that you pay attention to the announcements, because if the emergency is near your stateroom, you will not go there. You will come directly to the muster station, and we will provide a spare life jacket for you. That will be the procedure for you, so you are aware. This is muster station A for Alpha. And please let us know if you have not been scanned by our teammates at the entrance. Could I please have a recorder to the monster station? Very shortly we'll be joined by more teammates or guides, and they will be also assisting us in this monster station. Please have your medallions ready if you have not been scanned into monster station 8. Thank you.
I'm gonna head back to our cabin. I'm gonna put this back where it belongs with the other life jacket. Great job.